and today I will show you how to cook a typical Colombian breakfast. So here we have butter, onion, tomato, cheese or queso, avocado, arepa, eggs or huevos, and salt. And that's all. Entonces, chicos, vamos a empezar. Okay, so make sure that the pan is hot enough. So we start with the butter. Sip the butter. Just let it melt. Then onion. Tomato. So let it sit for 2 minutes or so, in that way you can cook the tomato properly. Entonces, en este lado estoy calentando la arepa. Like, I'm just heating the arepa. It's like you're heating a bit of bread. The difference is arepa is too thick, guys. So that's our arepa. Okay, I reckon this is ready, so let's add the eggs. Then salt. I like to be slowly. Ready. Okay. I reckon this is ready, so we're good to plate, guys. I'll just put 2 because 3 is too much. Then the eggs. I reckon this is too much eggs. Avocado, then cheese or queso. By the way, cualquier queso que quieras está bien. Like whatever cheese you want, that's fine. Cheese. And lastly, Colombian breakfast is not complete without cafecito or chocolate, but today I decided to put chocolate. And sorry. And I use this, by the way, because they said it's good. It's called Corona or The Crown. Desayuno colombiano hecho por una Filipina. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my next video. Gracias por ver. Hasta la próxima.